video. This video is sponsored by Odelphi. So we got Dr. Ahmed in the house right now, wearing the Odelphi.
All right.
That's the brightest. Click one more time.
Yep.
Dims down a little bit. Got the flashlight.
Woo.
And it also dims down one more time too. And today we're doing spark plugs for this 2018, right? X3? Yeah, 2018 X3. And guess how much they asked you for this job? $500 for spark plugs. It's a 10-minute job for 500 bucks. Let's get into it. Double click. Oh, it's a double clicker? Alright, first thing is to pop this cover. It just pops up. That's a little precarious. So there's 4 total?
4 total.
Yeah,
oh, okay.
So pretty much you take this one out. You just pull it out.
That's literally it?
And then there's spark plug inside there.
Ah.
And this is the tool that we needed last time.
Okay.
It wasn't fitting.
Right.
But now this one will. Let me get this tool.
Alright.
Yeah.
Just pop these out of the way. This is my cardio right here.
Yeah, man.
Just turning.
Yeah, I see that forearm. It's like bulging. Yeah. Yeah, man. Look at all those veins. Zoom in on those veins. Popping out.
Zoom in on those veins.
Hey.
Damn, bro.
Yeah, those veins are serious.
Okay.
You can unbox the rack.
Yeah.
Look, I'm sleeping in here.
Okay. That's it. The dust. Spray it right back in there.
Al, are you in there? Al, are you in there? Al, are you in there? You can't talk to me.
She can't talk yet.
Al, are you in there? Ask me, Al. You don't ask me.
This one was the last one. And then to finish it with E8 torque screws, and we are done for the day. Alright, let's tighten everything. Just nice and snug. Okay, last one. That's it. Put the cover back on. And then finale.
Isla, are you in there?
Match these. There. Here. All right.